Variety hot take, new NorthStar Genetics NSC Homewood. 3 things we need to pay attention to. The maturity, replacing NSC Sperling, an age-old favorite on our farm, 006 maturity, 2450 heat units. It's starting to change on September 4th, and it's gonna change quick. Number 2, IDC strength. Really impressive this year what we saw. This is our 2nd year having it, and it is gonna come in at a rating of 1.7, 1.8 in the Manitoba Seed Guide. And number 3 is adaptability. I'm standing on our field where we have a planter at 20-inch rows and air seeder on 10-inch rows, and we're checking out the adaptability of wide versus narrow row spacing, and all we're seeing is pods of 3 and 4 beans all the way up to the top. So NSC Homewood, 006 maturity, strong IDC, and a very adaptable. Launching fall of 24.